Okay. Hello, my honeys. Welcome back to my corner. Today, I have another. I'm bringing to you again the Ipsy Glam Bag unboxing. This is the this is just the regular one that now they charge the prices up more. I just haven't gone around to cancel it because my Ipsy Glam Bag thing for, I don't know what month it is, but for the month or something. But this is what it looks like. It's a nice little eggshell. Yeah, it's cute, eggshelly. Okay, so we're gonna open it and see what's inside. But inside we get the list of everything. Everything that comes in the bag right now. So I'm going to keep this for reference like always. First thing I'm grabbing is this Pixie. What is it? It is Pixie by Petar. Okay, so it looks like this. It's a blush. Okay. Nice little blush. I'm not gonna open it. Okay, well, it is Pixie Petar Fresh Face Blush in Ginger Blossom. Okay. The next thing I'm grabbing is a pencil. It is Beauty for Real. Okay, Beauty for Real. And this is Beauty for Real Eyeline 24/7 waterproof eyeliner in olive. So it's a green. It's like a green color. I mean, really good. There you go. See it? It's like a green. Okay. And this is cute. I'm to give it a shot one day. And next thing I am grabbing out of here, it is a little box. It looks like this. Okay. And what is this? This is probably a liquid lipstick. I'm not sure. Let me open it. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Boop. Oh no. It's like, what is this? It's like cologne. Let me look in the little guide. Okay, it says the fruit fragrance Sophia Isabel perfume oil. Okay. I'm not going to open that. But I can smell it. It smells good though. It really does. It's smelling good. Okay, next thing is this. What is this? Lid Quad. It looks like it's a lipstick. Okay, this is The Balm Cosmetic Lip Quad Sparkling Liquid Eyeshadow in Brilliant. So it's a liquid eyeshadow. Let me see. Okay, we're going to open it and give it a little swatchy. Oh, I don't really see anything. You can see it's a little shimmery eyeshadow. Good, nice. I might not be wearing it. Oh, that really smells good. This perfume really smells good. I think I'm spilling it all over. Let me put that over here, out of the way. Okay, Okay, last but not least, we have a lipstick or lip gloss. What is this? This is, what is the cover? Matte liquid lip. Okay, and this is M20 NYC matte liquid lip in Soho. In Soho, okay? And that is, let's do this one. Oh, I gotta open it. Why do I put these damn plastic covers on it? But whatever, you know how it is. Whatever. Okay. This is what you got to. Okay. Okay, how's that? Nice pink. Okay. Okay, I think I could rock this. Alright, you guys. My honeys, that is it for it's a little green inside this can. That's it for the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing. I love you all. I love you all. I love you all. I love you all. And, yeah, if you like this video, please just give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe if you're not subscribed, and the notification bell if it does anything, who knows, but you know, all that jazz and all that good stuff. I love you all, and I will see you guys in my next video for surely. Mwah.